A control panel is a centralized interface that allows users to manage various functions of a computer, web hosting, or other devices. It provides a way to configure settings, manage hardware and software, and access other system utilities. In Windows, the control panel is a classic feature that provides access to many settings and configurations. Though some settings are being migrated to the Settings app. Key functions. We have system settings. The control panel allows users to adjust system-wide settings like date and time, display settings, power options, and keyboard or mouse settings. Hardware and software management. Users can add or remove hardware and software, manage devices, and configure drivers through the control panel. User accounts. Managing user accounts, permissions, and security settings is also handled within the control panel. Network and Internet. The control panel provides access to network settings, including internet connections, Wi-Fi, and VPN configurations. Other settings. Various other settings like language preferences, accessibility options, and default app settings can be accessed and modified. Now, you might be wondering what this video is all about. So, without further ado, I would like to introduce to you the many ways to open control panel on Windows. So there are several ways that we can access control panel on Windows, which also enhances productivity while we use Windows in our day-to-day activities. In this video, I'll be uncovering about 6 to 8 ways in which you can open, and the first one is using the Start menu. We type control panel and open it. By opening, you will see that there it is, and you have everything at a go. The next is using the run command. So we open the run command. Inside the run command, we can type control. When we type control and we click OK, control panel will be opened as we wish. That's also another way. So the third on our list will be using Windows PowerShell. For Windows PowerShell, you can open it as I've done on my machine. And when the prompt comes, you just type in control. So let's wait a bit for it to open so I show you what I'm talking about. So we type control here and we hit enter, and boom, that is it on our screens. Okay, so using command prompt is way similar to that of Windows PowerShell. You just type control once again, and yes, that's also open. Okay, so the next on our list will be using the quick access menu. So Windows and S combinational keys will open this quick access menu, and when that opens, all you gotta do is go to run and type in control as you see there. So that's similar to the run command we used initially. Using the File Explorer address bar. Inside the address bar, you type control. Immediately you hit enter. Control panel should show on your screens. Alright, so the next is creating a desktop shortcut. Now you go to new shortcut and you type control. That's what you use so that you can get it as a setup or an app on your desktop. Now I give it a name. Did you know control panel? So the DYK, that's what it just means. Now we go to next. So you can choose any name of your preference. Now this right here, I'll view my desktop so that you can see the icon there. When you double click, it will open. That's also another way. Okay, so let me hide my desktop icons once again. Alright, the next on our list will be using the task manager run. So we all know task manager, but what if I told you can open control panel through task manager? So you go to this side, run new task, and when that shows up, all you need is to type control into that box. When you click OK, boom, it should be on your screens as I have on mine. And moving on to the next one, I'd like to review to you using the settings app. This settings app, as we all know. So we open settings app, and now on the settings app, to get it, you go to personalization. From the personalization, you come to themes, desktop icon settings, and now we'll check the box for control panel. It's right there. So when we check this box, and I'll apply, and I'll click OK. Because of that, I'll have to show my desktop once again, so we see that it has taken effect. Now you can see control panel is on our desktop, and when you double click, it opens respectively. Alright,